your best source of energy news. I'm your host, Brandon Spears. Let's get straight into it. Today we will explore the possibilities of renovating a local high school, Waubonsie Valley, and see if they can reduce their footprint. Let's get our first expert on the case, Talal Ghafoor, a scientist from Fermilab. Take it from here, Talal.
Thanks, Brandon. I'm a scientist at Fermilab, so I know my stuff. Waubonsie Valley is one of the biggest schools in the area, so that means it takes up a lot of power. Currently, Waubonsie uses over 5.8 million kilowatt hours of energy annually. That's 7.25 million toasters. That's why they need a new energy source to help power the school. The best source of energy that can help Waubonsie is wind power. It is clean, renewable, and produces more power than solar panels. By placing 5 30-watt turbines in the open field by Waubonsie, the school can produce 1.314 million kilowatt hours per year. That means 22% of Waubonsie's energy will come from clean sources. These wind turbines pose no threat to students and do not have any environmental impacts. Additionally, wind turbines are becoming more common in businesses and urban areas. Schools like the John C. Dunham STEM School in Aurora use a wind turbine to help power the school. Businesses like Delta Sonic also use a wind turbine to power car washing machines. However, a new energy source is not the only way to save energy. Elias Ortiz, an environmentalist, has more ways for the school to conserve energy.
Thanks, Talal. While wind power is a great way to use more clean energy in Waubonsie, there are more steps students and staff can take to reduce energy usage. By using Energy Star certified windows, classrooms on the outside walls of the school can use natural light instead of power-hungry tube lights. Additionally, open areas like the atrium and the pool can use skylights to reduce the large amount of lights needed to light them up. Throughout the entire school, LED lights can be used to more brightly light up areas while using 1/4 the normal light usage. Smart lights that are motion activated can be used in areas like the restrooms and classrooms. These new lighting changes can save up to 75% more energy for the school. The school could also use a cool new paint job by using white paint on the exterior. The white paint will help the school stay cooler in the summers when power usage peaks to keep the AC running. The white paint can also reflect sunlight and help melt snow in the winter. These changes will be a significant change to Waubonsie, and Arnav Lande has the answers when it comes to finding out how much this proposal will cost.
Thanks, Elias. There's a lot of planning that goes into conserving energy, but I've crunched all the numbers and figured it all out. On average, Waubonsie uses 485,000 kilowatt hours in a month. This costs around $43,000 every month, or $530,000 a year at an estimated 9 cents per kilowatt hour. The wind turbine suggested by Talal will cost the district 27 cents more than per kilowatt hour, but will also produce energy that is clean. The initial cost for these turbines is $475,000, but the other saving done by conserving energy can easily recuperate the cost in 4.5 years. In a year, an estimated 2,200 tube lights within all classrooms use about 1.1 million kilowatt hours. By replacing them with LED tube lights, only 250,000 kilowatt hours will be used. This will save the school about $76,500 a year. Hallway lights in the atrium can be eliminated with the use of skylights, and during the night, LED power lights can be used. With motion-activated lights, the lights will save $374 during the school year, but students won't be in school for most of the year, and so that means those lights are being left on in the school. Those motion-activated lights will save even more money during the time when students are not in school. The white paint surrounding the building can save 84,000 kilowatt hours of energy, or about $7,560 a year. These changes will save the school at $8,700 a month, or $104,000 a year. Overall, Waubonsie can conserve 334,000 kilowatt hours and produce 1.3 million kilowatt hours of clean energy in a year. Waubonsie needs to make changes if it wants to go green, and given time, these changes are possible.
Wow, thanks to all of you for your hard work in making Waubonsie a little more green. It's clear as your actions can be taken to reduce the energy usage of Waubonsie Valley High School and allow it to live up to its green and gold colors. Thank you once again. Now on to some breaking news. They did surgery on a raisin?